So this is how we are going to heat it. We are going to heat it using a water bath. So as shown here, so we shall have our beaker. This beaker contains some water in it. So remember, we heat using a water bath, and we have to put our tripod stand here, tripod stand, and then below it we put our source of heat. So this will be our source of heat. That's our heat. So heating shall be done here. Then on top of our beaker, so this is our beaker. This will be our beaker. So remember, the beaker contains some water. So here we have water. Then on top of the beaker, we shall put our evaporating dish. So the evaporating dish will be here on top of our beaker. And that's where we shall put our salt solution, that is copper sulfate. So we shall put our copper sulfate solution here. Remember, from it we are supposed to obtain the copper sulfate crystals. So this is our evaporating dish. Evaporating dish. And then this is our copper sulfate solution. Copper sulfate solution. So that's how we arrange the apparatus for heating our saturated solution. Remember, we have said while heating, you'll be required to dip a clean glass rod into this salt solution so that you're able to find out when it's ready to form crystals. And we have said, how do you know that? Once you remove the glass rod from this solution and then you hold it in the air, it will cool. On cooling, you'll be able to see some crystals on the glass rod. That will mean the solution is ready to form crystals. If it is not ready to form crystals, then you'll continue heating. So that's how we shall arrange our apparatus. So we have said, after that, you will be able to remove the evaporating dish from the source of heat, and then you put it somewhere, allow that solution to cool. After cooling, the solution will form crystals, and those crystals that we shall obtain will be the crystals of copper-2 sulfate. So we have mentioned the word crystals. It's good you also know the definition or the meaning of the word crystals. Remember, we are obtaining crystals from a solution of copper sulfate. So therefore we are saying crystals can be defined as what? So we are saying crystals are simply the solid particles obtained when a saturated salt solution cools. So we are saying after copper sulfate solution will cool, it will form copper sulfate crystals. So that's how we get the meaning that crystals are obtained from a saturated solution.